Good evening, everybody. It's Sean here from Mommy Nurse Photography. We are taking off. I am so excited. We are, Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday we take off. Myself and 6 other brave and incredible souls to head to Churchill, Manitoba, the edge of the Arctic, where we are going to embark on the first inaugural ever OMNP polar expedition. So I'm quite stoked. And funny enough, I've done videos before, I've left before. And like this time, I've been packed for a week. I have, right there, this is all odds and ends, some stuff in there. And I have this incredible Pelican. I think it's the 1565. Am I right? 1535. That has the amazing Sony FX3 that the camera store out of Calgary and Sony have partnered with me on. And then I have my clothes. Last fall when I went, I had those 2 bags like filled, and I'm only at about 35 pounds. It was filled. I had the other one filled, and I had a third one filled. Now, mind you, the third one I brought up a whole bunch of I think I brought up 500 real size candy bars for Halloween because I was there for October 31st. But this year, I won't be there. And I'm just going to bring up what I need. And I wish I could bring this guy up. Don't you wish you could come, Nashy Pashy? Hey, you gonna miss Daddy? Yeah, you are. Gonna miss him. So yeah, this year it is just 2 check bags, 1 carry-on, and the other one is we're gonna try and take it as a personal, but I think they might charge me as either a second carry-on or I'll have to check it. But we'll see what we can do. Anyhow, I can't say thank you enough to the incredible people, to Deb, to Ed, to Freddie, to Wayne, to Lisa, to Lori. I got them all? Lisa, Lori, Deb, Ed, Wayne. Did I say Wayne? All for putting their trust in me and following my passion to bring them up and get them on some polar bears, but more importantly, to show off what I fell in love with, which is the people, learning about the Indigenous culture and community up in Churchill and northern parts of that and into Nunavut, and to show them the incredible wildlife. I mean, the wildlife from polar bears to every type of fox that you can think of. Well, not really, but I think the 4 main ones: Arctic, red, cross, and silver. I hope. I've been up there a total of almost 6 weeks now in the last 12 months, and I've yet to see a wolf. I've seen tracks that were fresh, and I have yet to see a wolverine. On 2 different occasions, other guides were on wolverines either a couple hours before or after I got to the location. So all things considered, I think we've done a good job over the last almost 6 weeks that I've spent up there. So anyhow, just wanted to get on here and put out a little 4 or 5 minute clip of just how excited I am, how grateful I am, how thankful I am. Y'all don't know the battles that are going on in the background, just things that I'm dealing with from my previous career to just everyday life. And the fact that you all have my back and have supported me this far and given me the ability to chase and pursue this passion, I can't say anything other than thank you. So thank you. And I hope that if you're watching this and you made it this far, that you will consider joining OMNP Polar Expedition 2026. And I'm releasing 2027 dates. And we are also looking at releasing dates to Newfoundland for 2026 and releasing dates possibly for 2026, maybe 27 for Northwest Territories, and Churchill for either the summer for beluga whales and or Aurora in the March season. So we'll see what happens. I hope you'll join me and see the world together. Signing off. Chat later. Cheers.